Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to chrome rims spray paint full guide. Start by cleaning and sanding your rims to remove old finish and contaminants. Use 320 to 600 grit sandpaper for even adhesion and an adhesion promoter if needed. Mask tires and valve stems carefully to prevent overspray. Keep a steady, consistent arm motion and light coats to avoid runs. Let each coat flash before the next application for best results. Begin by sanding the chrome surface until it is uniformly dull and keyed for paint. Wipe with solvent to remove sanding dust and oils before applying an adhesion promoter compatible with chrome. Spray 2 to 3 light primer coats, allowing flash time between passes to build a smooth, even surface. Sand the primer lightly with 600 grit wet sandpaper if needed. This creates a reliable foundation for color and clear coat layers that follow. Choose a high-quality spray paint and practice trigger control on a test panel before painting the rims. Apply the color in multiple thin passes, keeping the can 6 to 8 inches from the surface to avoid sags. Let each pass flash as directed, then finish with 2 to 3 even clear coats for durability and depth. After curing, inspect for imperfections and wet sand and buff if necessary for professional shine and smoothness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.